Hello friends, welcome to my EduInfy channel. I am your NEET instructor. Today we will be discussing NEET exam questions on animal physiology. Topic will be circulation. So first subscribe and like my channel for more updates. Moving on to first question. Which of these cells originate in bone marrow, circulate in blood for 1 to 2 days, migrate to connective tissues and transform into macrophages? Eosinophils, basophils, monocytes, lymphocytes. So here the answer is monocytes. Monocytes are large WBCs, white blood cells. They migrate from blood to lymph and then to tissue spaces to develop into macrophages. These are largest type leukocytes. Their structure is with bilobed nucleus and their diameter is 5 to 20 micrometers. So monocytes is the answer. Next question, which of the following is not an allosteric modulation of hemoglobin? Carbon dioxide, hydrogen ion, 2,3-bis phosphoglycerate and carbon monoxide. Here in this case, carbon monoxide the answer. Other three, carbon dioxide, hydrogen ion, 2,3-bis phosphoglycerate, these are the heterotopic allosteric modulation of hemoglobin. Carbon monoxide is not a allosteric modulation of hemoglobin. Next question, oxygenated blood from lungs is brought to heart by which of the following vascular system? Pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, aorta, capillary. So blood to the heart is entered by veins, and blood from the heart to other parts is supplied by arteries. In this case, oxygenated blood from lungs is brought to heart by veins. So pulmonary vein is the answer. Here oxygenated blood comes from the lungs to left atrium. Next question is, in which vertebrate oxygenated and deoxygenated blood gets mixed? Choices are fish, mammal, amphibian and bird. So in this case, amphibians have 2 atria and 1 ventricle where the mixing of blood takes place. So the answer is third one, amphibian. You can see here the diagram also for fishes, amphibians, reptiles and mammals and birds. Next question is, choose the correct pathway of the transmission of impulses in the heart. So in this case, the answer is, you can see all the choices. The transmission of impulse starts from the SA node, then it passes on to the AV node, then it passes on to bundle of His, and then Purkinje fibers. Fourth one is the answer. Impulses are generated from the sinoatrial node, then to atrioventricular node. The slower conduction through this node allows time for the atria to contact the excitation wave, then passes on to bundle of His and through ventricle walls to Purkinje fibers. So moving on to next question. Next question, when the right ventricle in the human heart contracts, the blood moves to aorta, brain, lungs, pulmonary artery. Here blood moves from the right ventricle, moves out from the heart. So that will be the artery, pulmonary artery. From right ventricle moves by pulmonary artery. So fourth one is the answer. You can see here the diagram also. So in this case, when the right ventricle contracts, the muscular force pushes the blood into the pulmonary arteries. So answer is pulmonary artery. Next question, if parasympathetic nerve of the rabbit is cut, then the heartbeat is unaffected, decreased, increases, stop. So parasympathetic nervous system, it's a rest and digest system. It releases hormone acetylcholine. It slows the heart. So when the parasympathetic nerve of the rabbit is cut, so there will be an increase. So there will be an increase. So here the answer is third one, increase. That's all for today. Subscribe, like and share my channel EduInfy Learning for more updates. Thanks.